Hi, I am Mahendran. I talk about this internal auditing topics covered under this chapter, meaning, importance, advantage, limitation. Meaning of internal auditing. Internal auditing consisting of continuous article reviews of financial and operating activities by a staff of auditors function as full-time salaried employees. It is an independent appraisal function established within an organization to examine its and evaluation its activities as service to organization. It it is a type of control which function by measuring and evaluation the e- effectiveness of other type of control. It deals primarily with accounting and financial matters. It may also properly deal with matters of an operation networks. Importance of internal auditing. It is important as this will help maintain regularly and integrate of information. It is article as it will ensure smooth appliance with political plans, products, laws and regulation. It is very useful referring of company assessed. It is method of economical and defining use treasuries. It is will support the company's accomplishment of installment objective and goals for operation. Advantage of internal auditing. It will real to discover and discover of error of factors which can be rectified before the external final auditing concluded. It removes the need employee external consultant to act in internal auditors, saving layers of money. The internal auditors in limited equivalent with business and process, as they are continuous employees is the same company. Is maintenance of group of healthy skilled people available to copy with noun recovery and explanation job, unlike others least skill of staff. Is injury that a company standard politic and procedures are running smoothly. Internal auditors are very useful in areas like operational audits, internal check controls, and other form details auditing method. Limitation of internal auditing. Internal auditing report is not accepted by shareholder or tax auditoriates. They recuse the external auditor's report. Since internal auditing is done by the employees of company, chess are that is be may be basic and therefore company cannot defend on such report, as an internal auditing is not done by the proportional auditing. Changes of internal auditor not detecting the errors again. Thank you.